Why would you ever go to the iPhone store and spend 10 times as much on an iPhone when you can get a perfectly guaranteed refurbished one, which has been totally checked out, totally reconditioned? This iPhone 8 is the same as new. Little chip you see in the corner is one that I put in it. When they sent it to me, it was absolutely perfect. I've since got a rubberized gel case, and now I've learned to, encase all my iPhones in a gel case. Otherwise, you're going to have, total irreparable damage to them. So, note to self, which was taken long ago. That notwithstanding, what an amazing phone. And it's not even a phone. This is, as you know, this is a personal computer, video editing system. It's like a desktop and a laptop in your hand. It's so much more than just a phone. It's a valuable, powerful work tool. So I'm just super happy. I'm super delighted. And a friend of mine who is a working attorney told me that he got a refurbished phone. He's like, why would you ever? And then he told me about it. I'm like, really? Such a thing exists? And then I checked it out, and I'm like, you've got to be kidding me. This is how easy it is to get such a quality computer, because it is a computer. That's what it is. So yeah, highly recommended.